Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally the Galaxy AI update is out on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So today in this video we'll discuss about some of the new changes that I have observed. So the first change that I observed with this update is the smoother animations. While opening and closing apps, the animations have got a lot more smoother than before. And now let's talk about the Galaxy AI features that this updates bring in. So the first one is the most hyped one, this circle to search, in which you just have to long press your home button and then circle the object and it will search it for you using the Google. This feature was previously limited to the S24, then it came to the S23 and now it is finally available on your S22 Ultra devices or S22 devices. You just have to long press your home button and then circle the object and it will search it for you. For example, like I have searched this Expert Raw and it has searched it for me from the Google. Next we have this new generative wallpaper AI. In the wallpapers creative option, you can generate your wallpaper according to your choice. You just have to select the color or the background. As you can see over here, there are multiple color options to choose from. I will quickly choose a blue color to generate it. And as you can see over here, it might take a while and it will generate a wallpaper for me according to my choice, making my device more customizable the way I like it. And as you can see over here, a beautiful wallpaper has been generated. You can also change the background design from here. There are multiple options to choose from to give it a command. Next up, we have a new change in the photo editor app. Using the Galaxy AI, you can now change the location of the object as well. In the photo editor app, you get to see this new option of reimagine your images. Using it, you can resize, remove or move the people or objects from your image. And now I will quickly try to change the location of this thing. As you can see over here, you just have to long press and then slide it. And now you just have to wait patiently over here. By the way, if you are new around this channel, make sure to like and subscribe as I will be posting a detailed video on this feature very soon. Right now, I will give you a quick overview about these features. Now, as you can see over here, it has really cool animation in the background, but it is not that accurate yet. As you can see over here, it has left half of the object right behind. But for starting, it is really good to see that this feature is now available as it can be fixed with the updates with the time. Now let's just try it with a different object. As you can see over here, I have now changed the object and let's see that what happens now. By the way, if you want to check out some camera tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the link will be in the description for that. So check them out. And now you just have to patiently wait until this is completed. And let me know in the comment section that you have got the update or not yet. And as you can see over here, only the shadow has left behind and the object has been moved. And now let's move on to the next feature of the Galaxy AI. In the calls, you just have to go to your settings and from here you will get to see a new feature of live translate. So if you are talking to someone who do not speak your language and you do not speak their language, your and their voice will be now translated using the AI, breaking all the language barriers. Previously, Samsung introduced this text to call and now they have introduced this live call translation. You just have to select the languages it for and then the language will be downloaded. As you can see over here, the language is now being downloaded. So make sure to like and subscribe as I will be posting a detailed video on it very soon. Next up, we have this new option in the notes pad. From the notes, you just have to go to your settings and from here you have to select Note Assist and you just have to turn it on. Note Assist will now help you to auto format, summarize, create bullet points, paragraph, generate covers based on your new content, correct your spelling, translate text and multiple other things can be done now using the Note Assist. You can also download the language pack for the translation from here. You just have to select the language and then you just have to download it. Now I just have created a random note and from here you get to see this new AI option. From here you can auto format, summarize, correct spelling and translate it. as this is a very short note and it needs 200 characters of note to do this section. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out these AI features and let me know in the comment section that you have got the update or not yet. And if you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe as I will be posting more AI features of the S22 Ultra very soon.